wherever you're at now as a human being, if you keep getting better and better and better as a human being, this is your level of your development and this is your level of sales results. You get better, your sales results go up. You get better, your sales results go up. So the methodology that we're teaching is not a sales methodology, is the pattern that as you get better as a human being, you will make more money in sales. Does that make sense? So the first thing to always go back to whenever you're not making the money you want is go, bring it back to me. Bring it back to I'm the hero of this story. I'm the hero of this journey. Where do I need to get better? Okay? So that's the highest level thing. And I recommend all of you write this down, by the way. As in, like, you probably want to draw it out as like a hierarchy. All right, guys. So at the top of your diagram, you have actualized selling. Okay? Underneath that, it splits into two things. What are those two things, guys? Very good. Internal mastery and scriptless selling. Okay, so if you want to actually follow the process of self-actualized selling, which means as you become a better person, you will make more money in sales, there are only two things as far as training materials that you need to focus on. Okay, so you could call that training materials. You've got internal training materials and you've got scriptless selling training materials. So any type of personal development training and any type of getting better at having a scriptless selling conversation. Focus on those two and you're on the path for self-actualized selling. Is that clear? Okay. Now, the next ones are not really in order. There is a rough order, but they overlap a little bit. So just write it down wherever you want to, however you want. But realize that this page that you'll have in front of you is now a map of you going from wherever you're at now in commissions to $100,000 a month in commissions. If you do everything I tell you and follow this map, it is impossible that you don't land at that destination, okay? The next part, again, not in a specific order, so just the next one I'm giving you, is the formula for excellence. As you're doing your internal mastery, as you're doing your scriptless selling, you have to follow that formula of excellence, which you could say is how you're showing up to the internal mastery training and how you're showing up to the scriptless selling training. So who remembers the formula for excellence? Correct. So imagine if you were doing your internal mastery training for 2 weeks. What's going to happen? You're not going to get very far because it doesn't follow the formula for excellence. What happens if you decide, you know what, I'm just going to do my own internal mastery training. I'm not going to have a mentor. I'll just figure it out on my own. You may get there, but the likelihood is it would take you multiple decades, if ever, to ever arrive at it because you're trialing and erroring all sorts of different things. Another version is you say, right, for the next 5 years, I'm going to do scriptless selling training and I'm going to do 5 minutes a day. Not massive action, okay? So you've got self-actualized selling is the principle we're following. Internal mastery and scriptless selling is what we're actually going to physically do, and following the formula for excellence is how we're going to approach the internal mastery and the scriptless selling. Make sense? Okay. Next one is the unicorn trifecta, which is more of a tactical version of the formula for excellence. The formula for excellence is more, this is how I'm showing up with time, with massive action, with mentorship. We then have the unicorn trifecta, which is more, how do we bring that into tangibles? So you could probably draw that as the triangle, guys, if you want to draw it as the triangle. Who remembers the unicorn trifecta? Unicorn offer, how you're showing up day to day. And what's the third and final one, guys? Nope. Third and final one, guys, is the scheduling of your internal mastery training and your scriptless selling training. Actually scheduling it in, your practice of those things. So hopefully you're starting to see the pattern, guys, that these things all layer into each other. If in your unicorn closer trifecta, you schedule in your scriptless selling training and you schedule in your internal mastery training, and those things allow you to get onto the unicorn offer, and through the internal mastery training and following the formula for excellence, you are now showing up at your highest level every single day. You are now following the unicorn closer trifecta.
How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.